Howdy folks, this is Paul from Grilling Montana, and today we've got a first. I'm cooking steaks in the Blackstone Pizza oven, the brand new Blackstone 2023 pizza oven, clearly with a rotating turntable. Now, I've had this thing heating up for about 30 minutes. I've had varying levels of temperature as far as how high or low I've had the flame. So you can kind of turn it way down if you want. That just went out, but it comes right back. Or if you really want it to nuke, you can really get that flame rocking and rolling. And you can see, I mean, it's literally red hot on the heat deflector. That upper stone is, I guess it would be refracting heat down onto what would be a pizza, but I think my yeast had an infection or something. My dough didn't rise, so I'll blame it on the yeast infection. And we went out and got a couple steaks, so we're gonna cook them on this. Now, here's the challenge. I've got two hands, and I kind of need them both for this, but I'm gonna do my best. So the plan is gonna be that I'm gonna get the steaks on, and we'll just see what happens. If I have to stop and come back, so be it. But let's do this hopefully in real time and see how it goes. All right, let's stop that. All right. Sometimes when you prepare too much, it messes with you. All right, so far so good. All right, there's a flaw that I just learned about. Okay, no big deal. Oh my gosh, it smells literally like a steakhouse here right now. So, get this back in. Hard to do lefty. And turn it. And hopefully it won't hit anywhere. There we go. All right, so, oh, got derailed. All right, so spinning away. It's rocking and rolling, looking good. I've got some meter probes in there, but oops, shame on me. Number one, they're not supposed to be exposed to an open flame, and it sure looks like they are. And number two, how the heck am I supposed to see what the temperature is if I'm checking them from my app? So I think I'm gonna have to pause for a sec and peek at the internal temp, and we'll go from there. All right, so I just turned those things 90. We're gonna let them go one or two more rotations and then pull them. Get them the heck out of here. So have you ever cooked a steak in an oven like this? I'm always curious about people, like what they cook in and what they appreciate. So anyhow, I don't want these to be overdone. And that's about it. So I'm gonna pull these off. Hopefully we can get some more shots. If not, thanks for watching. All right, so I decided to pull these out, and it's amazing. These grill grates are still retaining tons of heat. Try my D-Lad, we're 675 in places. It's been out for a little bit, and it's like 35 degrees out here, but it's pretty amazing. And just to show you how beautiful pizza oven can make these steaks. All right, those hash marks are a little wonky, but these aren't that bad. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Have a great night. Cheers. Catch you on the next time.